Okay, so it's moving along. I got this wall down up to here, and always check, make sure your escutcheons cover, so that when you put the finish on, you don't not left with a hole. So this one here, I was a little off, but I was there. The escutcheon covers it. So if you had to change one of these tiles, it wouldn't be very easy. These are big, huge tiles. I mean, if I had to pull one off tomorrow, I could probably get it off, but in a week's time, it would be a huge problem. So make sure that your escutcheons cover the holes properly. See, I got them out and I checked it. This one here was a little off, but it covers no problem. So this is all set. So it's very important when you making these holes, make sure that your finish is going to cover and you're not going to see any of the hole.